Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Dark Tunnel VPN app step by step. This app helps you get a fast and secure internet connection when it is configured properly. Make sure you watch this video from start to end so you don't miss any steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN and install the app that supports SSH and V2Ray. After installation, open the app. When the app opens, you will see that it needs some configuration before it can work. Tap on the menu icon at the top of the screen. Select tunnel type and choose V2Ray for this tutorial. Before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. This really helps the channel grow. Now open your browser and search for first SSH V2Ray. Open the first SSH website and verify that you are not a robot. You will see a list of servers. Choose any server from your preferred location. For this video, select one server and tap on Create V2Ray account. Enter a username that you can remember. Next, you need to add an SNI. If you already have a working SNI, paste it there. If not, open the Play Store and search for SNI Generator. Install and open the SNI Generator app. Select your country and tap on Generate. Copy any SNI that is generated. Now open your browser again and visit a host checker website. Paste the SNI and check it. If the result shows that the SSL certificate is valid, the SNI is working. Go back to the first SSH website and paste the working SNI. Enable reverse SNI and complete the verification. Tap on Create Account. After a few seconds, your V2Ray account details will appear. Copy the configuration. Now open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Tap on the menu icon, then go to Config. Select Import and choose Clipboard. The configuration will be added automatically. If needed, paste the SNI again in the target server field. After that, tap on Connect. If everything is set correctly, the app will connect successfully. If it does not connect, try changing the SNI or creating a new V2Ray account. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.